Hello class, welcome again to the dictation session. Okay, so as I told you, after every chapter I'll give you the dictation word. So today also I am with the dictation word. So let's get into it without wasting any time. Go fastly. As soon as you start seeing this video, go fastly, bring your copy, pencil and rubber with you, because today is your dictation test, so you should be ready every time. Okay, I hope so you have bought your English copy and pencil and rubber. So let's start without wasting any of our time. Clear? Put it dictation Monday and the date 15/6/2020. Written, everyone? Okay, so I'll start with my first word of the dictation, and that is your special person in the house. Who is she? Very good, it is your mother. So right, the first word is mother. As you call her every now and then, na? So for bringing your copy also, I don't think so most of you have gone and taken your copy. You have called your mother that mama please bring my copy, pencil and rubber, I have to give the dictation test. So again I am repeating, my first word is mother. Written, everyone? Again I am telling, my first word is mother. You use in your daily life, na? Daily basis, every time, now and then you use this word. So you will be familiar with this word. Okay, coming to the second word. My second word is little. My second word is little. Means बहुत छोटा सा. Little. थोड़ा सा. Little. You have seen Stuart Little, that movie of a mouse, and that the title is Stuart Little. And that little, how small he is. If you have not seen it, then you can see it. If anybody have seen it, then you have noticed that Stuart Little is a very small mouse, very small, and he lives in between the family of the human beings, because that family adopts that rat from the orphanage as their son. So he lives with the human, and he has the feeling and caring as a human have. He thinks that this family is his family, and many of the tragic happens, many of the thrilling is there, how he saves his family from the danger. So that movie is very interesting. So that word is only Stuart Little, na? So that word little. Again I am repeating the word, that is little. Now coming to the third word. My third word is window. Window, you have, na, or everybody have in their houses 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows. Yes, that only, window. Window, you mostly open it, na, when you wake up in the morning, and at nights also you keep it open so that the fresh air can come. You can watch something from outside. Sitting inside, you can watch anything outside by opening that window. So my third word is window. Now coming to the fourth word. My fourth word is around. What does around means? Around means इर्द गिर्द, गोल गोल, आपके ये इसके इर्द गिर्द जो घूमते हैं. Okay, that is around. That earth, the sun revolves around the earth, na? So it moves here and there. So around. You play na that game, what Fugdi we call that game, with putting hands to hand, and then we roll round and round and round and round. So that is only around. So again I am repeating, my fourth word is around. Now coming to the fifth word. My fifth word is afternoons. Afternoons. So what is afternoon? Tell me. Very good. It is the दोपहर टाइम, from 12 o'clock to I think so 5 o'clock. That is our afternoon. Na? At that time we take a nap, or we study, or we read something. We have our lunch in afternoon. So we can watch TV. We can do many works during the afternoon, because most people take nap then during afternoon. What does the nap mean? Anyone know? Yeah, nap is that we sleep only for half an hour, 1 hour, but at night we sleep very long, for about 8 hours or 7 hours. So that is a long time of sleep. And in afternoon we sleep for less time, so we call it as a nap. So my fifth word is afternoon. Coming to the sixth word, my sixth word is what we do at night. Very good. Now only I told. Slept. It is slept. My sixth word is slept. This you day, na? Daily you do. Every time you do sleeping. So it is familiar with everyone, I think so. So again I am repeating, my sixth word is slept. Now my seventh word is road. You have seen na roads. When you come outside from your house, you have to move to the market or somewhere else. You can see the road. Road is there on which you walk. So my seventh word is road. Clear everyone? Again I am repeating, my seventh word is road. Now my eighth word is, what does the dogs do when they see the stranger? Very good. It is, they bark. They start to bark. So my eighth word is barked. Barked. Okay. You have to know na what you have to do. You have to not write just bark. You have to add something more. Yes, it is barked, not only bark. Whenever you have seen, whenever they feel angry, the dogs, they express their anger by barking. When they are sad, they express their anger by barking. So whatever they are, they used to bark. Now whenever they see the stranger, they used to bark. So that only. My eighth word is barked. Now moving to the ninth word, my ninth word is scared. What does scared means? Dar jana. When you see the horror movies na of any bhoot, when you have seen horror movies in your house, some of the people like to see the horror movie na. When you see horror movies, you become scared watching that. Or when you have done any mistakes and you know that your mother will scold you, then you become scared. So my ninth word is scared. Now tell me, how many of you are scared of your mama and how many of you scared of your papa? Most of them will be scared of their father only, na? Mother, we have the friendship relation with our mother, so we are not scared with our mama. Many of them will be scared of their father. Yes. Okay. You write in your copy to you are scared with whom. Clear? Then you will be clear with the word scared. Okay, again I am repeating, my ninth word is scared. Okay, last but not the least, our 10th word is, okay, where do you live? Yes, I know you live in the Riva. In Riva, where do you live? The chhat under which you live, the roof under which you live is called what? Very good. It is the house. So you live in the house. So my 10th word is house. My 10th word is house. The home sweet home. Yes, na, your house. Where you enjoy, where you just fulfill your dreams, where you start studying, where you start first eating, where you are born, your house. So last word is house. Okay, again I am repeating the words once match. Clear? So my first word is mother. Second word is little. Third word is window. Fourth word is around. Fifth word is afternoons. Sixth word is slept. Seventh word is road. Eighth word is barked. Ninth word is scared. And last but not the least, 10th word is house. So I hope everyone is clear with the words. If you have any doubt, you can ask me with the words if you have any doubt. And please do these dictations seriously. Do it in your copy, and as soon as you do it, just click the photo and send it to me. Clear, everyone? And in today's dictation session, I will give you the numbers. Okay, so I will not this is a type of test. You will be given numbers also, so do it very seriously. Clear, everyone? Thank you for listening me. Thank you for watching me. Stay safe at your home. Thank you, everyone.